So may kasama ako sa kitchen today. Si Louie, my husband, and siya magluluto ng dinner namin tonight. So,
Under protest.
Ano gagawin mo?
It's chicken garlic.
It's creamy garlic chicken
Chicken.
thighs. Tama?
Actually, supposed to be chicken breast, but I really don't like breast. Chicken breast.
Kasi-
So we're doing thighs instead. We prefer thighs, so we're gonna use thighs.
Also, ang thighs, 99 cents per pound. Mas mahal ang breast. So, thighs kami. Inflation eh. This recipe of Louie is easy to make, affordable, at ang sarap-sarap. 3 days ko itong binaon to work. So, ganun siya kasarap. So, we'll see. Thanks for cooking tonight, ha? Okay, we'll watch him cook.
Dry brine it with salt and pepper. Okay, these are the ingredients. About 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, about 7 cloves of garlic, half a lime, and a medium-sized onion.
This is 3/4 cup of water with 1.5 tablespoon of chicken powder. 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. And then use whatever favorite dry spices you have in your pantry.
So this recipe calls for first frying the chicken in olive oil and butter and garlic, and then baking it for about 20 minutes at 350. So you have to preheat the oven with the oil. And a tablespoon of butter. And you add the 2 crushed garlic. Let it brown. Now you have to add your chicken. You have to sear the chicken, both sides. So you have to have the temperature really high, maybe about 2 minutes each side. Okay, now we're gonna sear the other side. So these are the seared chicken, and we're getting ready to put them in the oven. I'm putting the chicken into the oven, 350 degrees, for 20 minutes. At medium heat, you're gonna add your 2nd tablespoon of butter. And then your onion. Cook it until it's a little translucent. Garlic. Now you can add your water with the chicken powder, or you can use chicken stock as well. Let it boil. Just let it reduce a little bit.
The dry spices, no?
Yeah.
And you use
I used the oregano leaves and basil. Mix it around. Then you add your lime. Just squeeze it in there. Now you add the heavy cream. And mix it. So let this boil a little bit until it thickens. You can also taste it, see if you need a little bit more salt or... No, it's
okay,
perfect.
perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. 20 minutes has passed. Let's take the chicken out of the oven. We're gonna put the chicken back into this pan, so it'll cook with the sauce for the next couple of minutes. Now just drench the chicken with the sauce while you're letting it cook in it for the next 2 minutes.
Just loving this moment. could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can't always stay here forever. Forever.
That's it, our creamy garlic chicken.
Forever.
Thanks, Lou. Thanks for cooking.
No problem.
Forever.
And that is Louie's creamy garlic chicken thighs. Try it and tell us in the comment section if you like it. Okay? And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers and peace. Bye, Kalu.
Bye.